Now we are moving to 3 by 3 adjoint of a matrix. How to find a 3 by 3 matrix is given, how to find its adjoint. That is our next topic. Listen carefully here. A 3 by 3 matrix is given. I have taken a 3 by 3 matrix. That is question number 2 in our exercise. Question number 1, subdivision 2 in our exercise. First of all, we should find its minor values. What is the minor value of 2? To calculate all the minors, 2 presents in first row, first column. So, its minor value is 4172. And then we should find the 2 by 2 determinant to it. And then that will be the minor value. How to calculate determinant 2 by 2 determinant, I will explain you. And then here, the minor of 3. The 3 appears in the first row and second column, eliminating those values, and 3, 1, 3, 2 are taken to calculate. 3, 1, 3, 2 are taken to calculate its minor. Then the minor of 1. The 1 present. Next we are moving to next element. In a particular order we should move. So next move is here. And 1, the minor of 1 is calculated by eliminating third column and first row. The 4 elements are 3, 3, 4, 7. Now, and then to calculate minor of this 3 present second row and first column. So eliminate the row and the column. The remaining are 3, 1, 7, 2. 3, 1, 7, 2. 3, 1, 7, 2. And then move to 4. Calculate this minor value. This row and the column are omitted. Remaining 2, 1, 3, 2 are taken. 2, 1, 3, 2 are taken. And then to calculate this 1, minor value of this 1, the third column and the second row omitted, the remaining 2, 3, 3, 7 are taken. 2, 3, 3, 7 are taken. And then to calculate minor of this element, this row and column are omitted. 3, 1, 4, 1 is taken. 3, 1, 4, 1 is taken. And then to calculate the minor value of 7, the second column and the third row omitted, 2, 1, 3, 1 is taken. 2, 1, 3, 1 is taken. And then to calculate this minor value of 2, third row and the third column omitted, 2, 3, 3, 4 is taken. 2, 3, 3, 4 is taken. It's okay. And then we should find the minor values of these elements by using determinant value 2 by finding 2 by 2 determinant. And then we should change its sign. We will get a cofactor matrix. Then we will transpose it. We will get a adjoint matrix. So going with such a long process, to write directly its adjoint, that is the original method. So directly we can calculate the adjoint of A by use of some method, that is choose element from 4. Now we have calculated its minor values. Here this is the minor of first element, for minor of second element this one, for minor of third element this one, minor of fourth element, then this element minor value, this one's minor value here. The last row we have minor values like this. And then this is, we have taken minor values first, and then we should change its sign. We will get cofactor matrix. So to change it as cofactor matrix, A cofactor or Aij is a cofactor matrix representing its cofactor matrix. Here add sign. Its place value is A11. Is A11. So 1 plus 1 is 2, no change, sign of change. Here A 1 2, there is a sign change because 1 plus 2 3, so its sign will vary. And then if it is positive, give negative sign. Here in this place A 1 3 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, there is no sign change. So like this consecutively a plus minus will be given. Here positive, negative, positive. In this place it will vary, and then here it is positive. In this place it is again its sign will vary, and then we have plus, again we have minus, and then this minor has a positive sign. And then by evaluating this, by simplifying, cross multiply. How to find a minor value of a 2 by 2? The first one 4172 is given. First multiply leading diagonal 8, then cross multiply secondary diagonal 7, subtract, it will be equal to 1. This is known as the minor value of 4172. Similar to that, so first one is 1. For second one, 6 minus 3 is 3. We have minus, also minus 3 is the minor of cofactor value of the second one. Here 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12, that is 9. Here positive sign, so 9. And then similar to the result, if we simplify, we will get a answer. And then that is for 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. And then we have minus here, that is plus 1. Here 4 minus 3 is 1. So write it here 1. And then move to the next one. 14 minus 9 is 14 minus 9 is 5, and we have minus sign here, minus 5. And then here 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 appears here. Then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. We have one more minus here, so that is plus 1. And here 8 minus 9, that is equal to minus 1. So when we transpose the matrix, this matrix is known as cofactor matrix. And then when we transpose it, we will get an adjoint matrix. So adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix, that is equal to, I am writing here, transpose it 1 minus 3 9, then 1 1 minus 5, the last row minus 1 1 minus 1. This is known as adjoint of the given matrix. So simple thing, we can go with this. First calculate the minor values and then form a matrix, then simplify it and transpose it. And we have one. In the alternate method of calculating adjoint, very easy. Within some less time you can calculate comparatively with the previous one. Choose at the middle number 4 and then cyclically write the elements in the row. After 4 1, then 3, then move to 4. Again move to 7, take the next row and cyclically write the elements 7, 2, 3, then 7. And move to the first row, start with the middle element 3, 1, 2, 3. And then write the first row again, 4, 1, 3, 4. First row you are entered here only taken. Now adjoint of A is equal to transpose of a cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix, A cofactor transpose, or Aij transpose you can write. That is equal to transpose done here. Now finding the cofactor values inside, cross multiply these two elements 8 and then multiply this one as 7. So 8 minus 7. And then taking next 4 elements, first 2 omitted, the next 4 is taken. I will calculate now 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. And then move to next 4 elements, 3 3 3 4 3 7, 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12. Similar to that, move to this, take the second and third rows now, calculate in the same manner. We'll have 7 minus 6. Then here 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Then here 9 minus 14. 9 minus 14. And then moving to the last row, taking these 4 elements first, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. And then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 4 completed. 3 minus 2. Then multiplying the last 4 entries, 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Now simplify it. We will have 1 minus 3, 9. And then 7 minus 6, 1. 1. 9 minus 14 minus 5. The last row minus 1. 1 minus 1 transpose. Therefore, adjoint of A equal to, adjoint of given matrix A will be equal to, transposing it, 1 minus 3, 9, 1, 1 minus 5, and then minus 1, 1 minus 1. The first row is written as first column, second row has written second column, and third row written as in the third column. So the final answer of the adjoint of A is 1 minus 3, 9, 1, 1 minus 5, minus 1, 1 minus 1. That is the adjoint of the matrix. This is the alternate way. You can choose any one of the way which is easy to you. Now we are moving to the third subdivision, the given question, that is given A equal to 1 by 3 into 2, 2, 1 and minus 2, 1, 2, and the third row is 1 minus 2, 2. This is a given matrix. Should find a adjoint of this one. How to calculate adjoint of this type of matrices? Either you can multiply 1 by 3 inside, you can calculate, or we will go with the formula. You can choose any of the way. Either we can multiply 1 by 3 and then calculate adjoint usual method by using usual method, or in the alternate method you can use. Here I am introducing a formula, that is adjoint of Ka equal to, adjoint of Ka equal to K to the power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. K to the power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. This is one of the property in the matrix. You can apply in this, you can go easily, or you multiply all 1 by 3 to all the entries, then you can calculate by the method of calculating adjoint of A. We have seen in the second subdivision. Choose any of the method. It's not a problem. Either first method or alternate method. Both way you will get the correct answer. Now applying this formula, it will be easy to complete, it seems. So here K is nothing but, the Ka means K is nothing but 1 by 3. And then n is nothing but its order. Given 3 by 3 matrix, so n is the order 3. Substituting these two values, and the given matrix will be changed as the adjoint of the given matrix minus 1 by 3 into, 1 by 3 into 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 is equal to, here I can write here equal to, we can move here, 1 by 2, adjoint of 1 by 3 into 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 is equal to k power, k means 1 by 3, power n minus 1, n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2, into adjoint of A, adjoint of this matrix, into adjoint of the given matrix, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, and 1 minus 2, 2. Now we should calculate the value of adjoint of A. Now we can move to the alternate method here. Take this one, start with 1, and then 2, minus 2, then 1. Then move to the next row, start with minus 2, 2, then 1, again minus 2, and move to here, 2, 1, 2, 2, then write the first row at the end, 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Check it once, should not commit any mistakes in that. If we write anything wrongly here, the total answer, it will spoil your total answer. So check after writing once. Okay, check it once. Here, now calculating the adjoint of A, that is equal to here 1 by 9 into, it's a transpose. It's a transpose is the adjoint of this matrix. So calculating the cofactor values by use of this method, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, and then here 2 plus 4 again, 2 plus 4. Then here multiplying first these two, my 4, then cross multiply 1 as minus 1. Now here we are moving to next 2 rows. Here minus 2 into 4, that is minus 2, then 2 2s are 4, minus 4. And then next move, this 4 into 1, so 4, now 1 into 1, 1 minus 1. Here 2 into 4, 1 into 2, 2, then when we multiply these two minus 4, it will become plus 4. And then now we are moving to the last one, taken last 2 rows and cross multiplying the 2 with 2, 4, and 1 with 1, 1. 1 into minus 2, cross multiply these two, 4 is minus 4. Then 2 plus 4. So writing the answers here, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, and then here minus 2 minus 4, in the last row 2 plus 4. Simplify and transpose it, you will get the respective answers to that equal to 1 by 9 into 6, 6, 3, minus 6, 3 plus 6, 3 minus 6 plus 6. Now all are multiple of 3, so remove 3 as common, then cancel with this 9, so which is equal to 3 by 9 into 3 removed as common, so 2, 2, 1% first row, minus 2, 1, 2% in the second row, and then 1 minus 2, 2% the third row. We should not forget to apply transpose here, then apply transpose. Now cancel 3 and 9 by 3 table 1 by 3, and then transpose it. The required adjoint value is adjoint of matrix equal to adjoint of A equal to required matrix A equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into transpose it 2 to 1, then minus 2 1 2, and then 1 minus 2 2, and this is the required adjoint matrix of the given matrix A equal to 1 by 3 into 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 2. The answer is 1 by 3 into 2 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 1 2 2. That's all. This is third subdivision, the first problem.